Okay. When he's done with the business and the business analyst will proceed with his business case. Okay. He needs to understand business goals and objectives, issues or opportunities. Now, then he will have a proposal or a business case. And he will send it to the what is it? Organize to get a sign off. When it is signed off, he drafts a project charter. The project charter signed off by the sponsor. It appoints the project manager. This is the usual flow. If we have two roles, business analyst and project manager. Okay. Tricky question. They will ask you who will prepare the case study. And you, in the answers, you will not see business analyst. And with the answers. The only answer maybe you will see is project manager. So you say project manager, which means the project manager is playing both roles. Okay, that's what it means. Okay. Here there's a book called Analysis for Practitioners, a practice guide from business analysis. This is a huge book, maybe 500-600 pages of business analysis. God bless you.
Thank you.
But we will not go into that. It's really, this assessment is almost 25 to 30 pages. How are you doing with this? Business documents are prior to the project start, as I told you. So this you will do fine with this. It's nothing wrong. See, I told you there's a business case, and it's part of something called benefits management plan. In the business case, where is my pen? Cannot see it. Okay. We do cost benefit analysis. And we base this on our need. We have to mention quality specifications in the business case. And we have to do the schedule or cost or constraints. Now, in the business case, you have to mention the need for the, and if it's making benefits or not. So the organization would accept they need to, to have some value. If they don't have some value, then they will not go with the. Then, as I told you, they are repeating what I told you. After the business case, it leads to the creation of the project charter. Okay. So let me summarize this here.